My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey. Wonders they say it shall never end. Oh. In life, in whatever you do, just shall make sure say your decision no go come later be something wey you go come dey say, had I know, I won't have even tried it. When dey tell Sophia Momodu say, Mama calm down, Davido is not your enemy. E no reach the one wey be say you go start dey drag am kitikiti, dey drag am katakata. Follow am with sense. As a woman wey no be Davido mate, you senior him, so you should have sense to know how to go about una case with am. Na pikin you born for am, una no dey for battlefield. But no o, Sophia say lai lai o, na wetin dey her mind na im she go do, no be wetin dem want make she do. Now una remember say her uncle wey be Dele Momodu, e reach out to Davido uncle, Governor Ademola Adeleke, concerning dis birthday matter. I wonder why dis birthday matter come become a thing of disturbance, a thing of panic for where Sophia dey, because omo, maybe for their private group, allegedly dem don dey talk about the matter say dem wan mess up Chioma because anything make Davido go dis birthday, after all the humiliation, after all the dragging of little Ifeanyi wey don go im thing, wey dem come dey drag am legelege like I pass my neighbor generator, making Chioma to feel pained, making Chioma to remember everything that has happened, that she's trying all her best to forget, knowing fully well that this thing is not what you can just forget in a hurry. Like I used to say it, say if man wife kpai, they go say the man na widower. If woman husband kpai, they go say the woman na widow. Abeg, which name dey give woman wey im pikin kpai or man wey im pikin kpai? Which name dey give them? Abeg make una drop am for the comment section. I really wan know because I never hear say e get any name before. So for that reason, that thing na pains wey be say one no fit ever forget in a hurry till the end of this world. You no fit ever forget am. Na im Sophia lawyer carry go court of law, go dey use am dey mock Davido, dey drag the matter like say e get another thing wey dey attached, knowing fully well that it is not their fault, making reference to it every now and then. For what exactly? Na that one I no know. So now, as they say that yesterday, when the uncle Dele Momodu bin call the governor of Osun State, una know say as Davido dey campaign for am as the flag bearer of im campaign, Davido has been around doing the campaign as usual, pulling out crowd, and people genuinely from their heart they love the Osun State governor because he is a dancing governor. He's doing his work. He's trying his best to make sure say Osun State people they smile on a normal day, and you no come get problem normal. So they don't they give Davido assurance already because with the population, the crowd we gather already shows that the love and support is massive and genuinely from their heart. No be say na Davido buy rice, buy this, buy that, give them. They say when you go see a good leader, na by wetin dem don do before, na im dey go take vote for them. No be people wey be say you never do anything, but you dey buy people's heart with 5,000, with bag of rice, with this, with that. No be by that one they take no good leader. So this one already genuinely people are following up with Davido. They are making sure say they know they are not left out in the campaign process and that they are happy to vote in Governor Ademola Adeleke again and again as the governor of Osun State. 4+4 make it complete. So Dele Momodu, after reaching out, na the governor will be say he no want anything wey go become a thing of dragging, because you know say any small thing wey happen now, they go start dey drag the Adelekes, drag the governor join am for inside matter because you know say na social media na im dey lead now. Everything dem don tear race come social media come drop am. The thing go start dey become a thing of debate. I no gree, I no gree. Sophia do this, Sophia do that. Na wetin you go just dey hear be that. So last last the man come say make dem give Imade phone make im talk to Imade as dem say Imade dey cry. As he talked to Imade, he has to plead with her that she should stop crying, according to the information allegedly, that she should stop crying, that Davido is going to reach out to her. She shouldn't worry. That the birthday, they are going to celebrate it in style, of which the little girl agreed and she kept quiet. She no talk. Now they say like joke, the uncle come let Davido know to say when they dey for their happy moment o. Na im the uncle come use style tell Davido say your baby mama called o, say that Imade is crying, that she wanted you to be around for her birthday, this that. Na im dey say Davido just use one mouth talk am say which birthday, after all the humiliation. No now, say uncle no now, he just laugh, he just comot mouth for the matter. Me I bin don dey talk am say if Davido even go for this party, if Davido go for this party, na im be say something is wrong somewhere. Maybe Sophia don do some kind thing, put Davido name inside, because na that time people go now shift back, laugh Davido well well, laugh Chioma well well, thinking even though she no be say she really want make Davido separate with im daughter or something. No be say she want make dem separate o, or she get any interior motive, or she get any reasons wey go make Davido separate, because if as a good wife na she bin do all her possible best to make sure say they come together in the very first place. So now she no go come want make dem come scatter now. As a wife wey good, wey wan gather the family of her husband make dem dey united and together. If na bad person, Davido wouldn't have come back after he said it that keep it the other time. He won't have come back. But he came back because of the advice from his wife, from close family, from people around him wey genuinely love am, say make him go make peace with him children, with him baby mama, with everybody, of which he did. But Sophia no want to. She dey feel am like maybe e get another thing wey dey attach, wey Davido dey do, wey she no know. I no know her reasons, and I no know that thing wey she dey feel like. Now na im dey say Davido just use one mouth say hey, go where na? No now. Say after all the humiliation, after all the talk wey dey carry am go court go dey talk, say no, that he's going to celebrate his daughter. He has his way of celebrating his daughter, not him going to celebrate her with Sophia. For now, until she's 18 years of age, like he's still standing on his ground, standing with his full chest. Unless miracle fit later happen o, but him practically tell him uncle say he knows how to celebrate his daughter. Nobody will tell him how to celebrate his daughter, that he's going to celebrate her in his own way and not the other way round. That the girl is crying, thank God she don't stop to cry. Say since the girl don't stop to cry, it's a good thing. But nobody is going to tell him how to celebrate his daughter. After all, na him daughter. So already online in-laws don been dey talk am as a particular post surface the internet where Sophia fans dey write say make Davido go look for how he go settle with Chioma, make dem celebrate Princess Imade birthday. Na im people gather the comment section o. Davido fans dem dey come dey put am for the person body say which celebration this person dey talk about, which celebration, which coming together are they talking about. Already online in-laws are practically telling Davido not to even try it. Say if he try am, na im be say everything wey Sophia don talk for im head na true be that. Na im be say he no respect Sophia, Imade, Chioma. Na im be say Chioma true true she be endurance, anything make am at ten d that birthday party. Davido never even go. Online in-laws don dey give narrative down if im try am, because you cannot beat a child and expect the child not to cry. You beat am, you expect am to cry, allow am make im cry. you carry person go court, person carry you go court for the same pikin wey two of una born. You go there, you no go, you tell your lawyer, come expose so many things to the lawyer. Lawyer go there, go dey talk different different things, including the one wey be say nobody know apart from insider, apart from family. The lawyer go dey dassy, dey scatter the whole table for there, making everybody look stupid, even in the presence of Davido father. They say at least if you no go shame for Davido, you go shame for the father, Mr. Adedeji Adeleke, wey follow Davido come there, but for where they keep shame aside, keep their drama aside, focus, start dey wash Davido like cloth wey dem put for inside baff for how many days to wash. Dey wash am, wash am, wash am, dey carry the past, the one wey don kpai, wey don go, you carry am come dey rub am for im face. No, normally, truly, even though my opinion does not really count, I don't think Davido should be in that. If they want to celebrate any birthday, I don't think Davido should be there, because him going there will not bring humiliation to him. Oh. It will bring a big humiliation to Chioma, because nothing wey dem no go talk. I remember when Davido practically talk and say, I don see my pikin oh, my pikin na my everything. Nothing, no narrative wey dem no talk for this media space. Say Davido cannot do without Imade. He don even talk and say Imade is his everything. Say since when him dey exist, he never ever for one day talk say Chioma na him everything. But him don talk and say Imade na him everything, which automatically means that he love Imade more than Chioma wey he marry put for house. Na im make dem dey call her endurance. People no understand. See am now, he don finally reveal himself by himself. Like I am like wow. Now wow, some people too do oh. Some people too do well. No be small thing oh. Wonders dey say it shall never end. Tori e don war. Tori e don war. Davido don make up im mind. Omo, guy man don wash im mind. He practically tell im uncle. You know say on a normal time, if na before now, the uncle go say no, shut up your mouth. This is how we will do it. We will go to that party. We will do this, we will do that. But omo, even the man no fit even talk. Pam, he no talk. As Davido say, go to where? I know how to celebrate my daughter. Nobody will tell me how to celebrate her. I know how to celebrate her. The man no even talk. Pam, make you know say even them they don tire. Me I bin already talk am before and I still dey talk am again. With or without Davido, if Sophia want to celebrate her daughter, she can celebrate her and nothing will stop it. With or without Davido, she can celebrate her daughter. I don't think Davido should be there, because him being there will not change anything. Abi, because their fans already talk and say Sophia is doing well for herself. Say what is that thing that Davido want to come and do that Sophia cannot do? So she can do it. So they don't even need Davido. So that is the more reason why Davido say him get so many ways to take celebrate a daughter. He must not be there. He must not go there, because the last time wey him go for 10 years birthday, only God know the kind narrative wey come dey fly. How Imade take tie face, how Imade take do this, how Imade take do that. Davido is not welcome. He dey force himself. Na wow. Na im be say this nothing wey we know here for this media space. But last it is what it is. Davido don he don kochiri o. He don stand say lie o. Na wetin him like na him go do. Normally, the family kukuma don talk and say na Davido go give Sophia belle. Na him be the father, na him be everything. Anything wey him talk has come to stay. If Davido say let's go, let's go. If he say we are not going anywhere, they are not going anywhere. Omo, matter sweet. Make I softly drop my microphone or make una come chook mouth for inside this matter. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like for more like minds and more recommendation. And remember your humble get gifted gist. I'm the bring una later. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.